Victims need...
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Scott County until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cooperative, or 9 miles northwest of Oneida, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oneida and Wingfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.